wondered how to get a watercolor effect using just oil pastels and baby oil? Hi, I'm Maani, and welcome to my channel, where we turn simple materials into magical art. Let's begin! First, lightly sketch out the green field using a pale color as your guide. Now let's move to the sky. Begin with yellow, then gently blend into orange, pink, purple, and finally blue. Just like a dreamy rainbow gradient. Take a light green or ochre pastel for the base of the field. Layer from light to dark using various shades of green, building up depths gradually. Time for the magic! Grab a folded tissue, pour a tiny amount of baby oil on it, and start blending. See how beautifully it melts the colors together. So smooth and satisfying. Add a few more green layers. Blend again. And try using your fingers too. And again, a touch of baby oil and tissue. We are testing how much oil works best. Remember, a little goes a long way. Too much oil can cause grayish patches, especially in the sky, so go easy. Cool, right? And so easy. Now let's draw trees using small clustered dots. See how realistic they look. I use olive green for the lighter side of the tree, where the sunlight hits. Then, the darkest green and sometimes even black for the shaded side. Let's make them look even more realistic by adding shadows. Use dark green with a light touch. Then blend gently with your fingers. I hope you enjoyed painting with me today. If this video helped you, tap the like button and share it with a friend who loves it too. It really helps others discover my tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun, colorful, and beginner-friendly art projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.